Hi everybody, it's Adam, and I am outside, and we're going to do a core word today, and it is the word in. So the word in is going to be showed in something like this. My head right now is out of my hat, but I'm going to put it in my hat. There is one example. Here's another one. Right now, I am standing in the snow. Look at me. I am in the snow. So that is another example. And here is a third one. I made something in the snow, a snowball. You take it and squeeze the snow until it is nice and hard. Right now, is this snowball in my hat or out? You're right, it's out. But if I take it, I can put it in my hat. Oh, did it disappear? Nope, there it is. It's in my hat. So guess what? You can go outside and you can find core words all over the place. And you can play in the snow. All right, I'm gonna keep playing in the snow. I've already made a snow angel right over here. I've already built a snowman right over there. I'm gonna keep playing in the snow. You guys have a good day.